Hi there, and welcome back to another Bee video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect your Klaviyo account with Bee so that you can create email templates in Bee and then send those email campaigns using Klaviyo. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is retrieve an API key from Klaviyo. So go ahead and log into your Klaviyo account, and from your dashboard, you're going to head over to the right-hand corner and click Account. And then from here, we will navigate to Settings, and API Key is the first choice at the top, so go ahead and select that. If you don't already have an API key, you can create a new one by simply clicking here. And then once that API key is created, go ahead and add a label so that you know what you're going to use it for, and then you're ready to go. So from here, we're just going to manually copy and paste this API key. So go ahead and just highlight that with your cursor and click copy. So now we're ready to go ahead and head over to our Bee Pro dashboard. And from here, we're going to navigate to Settings and then select Connectors. Go ahead and scroll down the list of available connectors until you see Klaviyo, and then you're ready to connect. So right here, we're going to paste the API key we just copied. If you know your account name, you can go ahead and type that in. If you don't, no worries, that is not mandatory. As long as you have your API key, you are good to go. So go ahead and paste that API key and then click Connect. And in just a few seconds, your accounts will be connected. And you'll see that right here at the top, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to export just a single email template to Klaviyo, you can do that as well. So in that case, you will go ahead and find the email you want to use, open that email up in the Bee editor, and add your graphics, your text, your images. Just make sure it's ready to go. And then once that email is complete, you can click Save, and you will be taken to a screen with message details. Now from this screen, we're going to click Export Message right here and select Export to another application. If you have already connected your accounts, all you'll need to do is click Create Campaign. If you have not, then you will need to have your API key handy and go ahead and paste that in. But otherwise, we are good to go. So click Create, and then you will be able to find your Bee template in Klaviyo and send it from there.